15 kilometers per liter equals about 35.2 miles per gallon United States when you convert using miles per kilometer and liters per gallon. To convert 15 kilometers per liter to miles per gallon United States, you multiply by the conversion factor from kilometers to miles and by the conversion factor from liters to gallons, so the units cancel correctly. Start with 15 kilometers per liter, then multiply by 0.621371 miles per kilometer. So the kilometers cancel and you now have miles per liter. Next, multiply by 3.785411784 liters per gallon. So the liters cancel and you end up with miles per gallon. Doing those multiplications step by step gives about 35.2 miles per gallon United States, which tells you how many miles the car can travel on 1 United States gallon of fuel. Writing each unit on top or bottom as you go helps you see which units cancel. A common mistake is forgetting to cancel units correctly, so you might accidentally invert a conversion factor. And the quick fix is to write the units for each factor and make sure unwanted units appear once on top and once on bottom so they cancel. Another mistake is using the wrong gallon type because there is a United States gallon and an imperial gallon, and the remedy is to always check that you are using United States gallons for miles per gallon United States. A third error is rounding too early, which can give a noticeably different final number. And the simple tip is to keep extra digits while calculating, then round the final result to a sensible number of significant figures. For more step-by-step videos and practice problems on unit conversions, visit www.gumballdegree.com.